Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for the new invitation. Dear colleagues, I speak about knowledge production in Latin American countries. The call of my presentation is knowledge production as a paradigm for development in South America. We can say that Gibbons and other authors talked in 1994 about Mode 1 and Mode 2 to describe the different way in which knowledge is produced in the field of research. These modes are related to the change in the way knowledge is generated, applied, and disseminated, especially in the context of scientific and academic research. Mode 1, which is disciplinary, academic, and basic. Mode 2 represents a more transdisciplinary, applied, and problem-oriented approach. This model was developed as the demands of society and the market began to influence research more. Knowledge production mode 3 is a concept that has emerged as an alternative to transform universities, scientific centers, and institutions into key players in sustainable, intelligent, and supported development model in South America. This approach seeks to intensively take advantage of available knowledge to address development and poverty problems in the region. Below is the theoretical and argumentative basis to justify why this path may be crucial for the future of the region. The context and need for Mode 3 in South America. This region, despite having was a natural resource, has historically faced development challenges due to its dependence of this resource, the poor articulation between universities, the productive sectors, public policy, and civil society. For decades, the region has been trapped in a cycle where natural resources were scarce. But the recent declines in commodity prices have highlighted the fragility of this model. On the other hand, advances in areas such as biotechnology, pharmaceutical industry, nuclear technology, information technology, and other high-tech areas suggest that the region potential lies far beyond natural resources. This situation demands a shift towards a knowledge-based development model. And Model 3 represents a strategic capability of reorienting South America's course towards a new form of knowledge production that effectively articulates universities, research centers, the public sector, business, and civil society. Mode 3 of knowledge production is represented as an innovative alternative in the relation between research and social intervention. This mode focuses on the recognition of community as active agents in the process of research and social transformation. Unlike Modes 1 and 2, in which research and intervention may be more distant, Mode 3 seeks to articulate both processes in a collaborative and mutual manner, generating results that not only respond to academic or institutional demands, but also real community problems. But the main characteristics for Mode 3 are interaction and collaboration. In this approach, research and intervention are not presented by theoretical process, but as an interconnected network. Objective and social transformation, while traditional research seeks to understand and explain phenomena, and intervention seeks to apply practical solutions. Mode 3 articulates both objectives in order to empower communities and generate sustainable social change. 3. Challenges for higher education. Mode 3 not only respond to the challenge of academic research, but also to the challenges facing American society. In particular, it questions the commodification of knowledge and seeks to transform university education. 4. The structuring academic hierarchies. This approach implies a break with traditional hierarchies between specialists and communities, instead of a one-way relation in which academics are the main generator of knowledge. Mode 3 promotes the active participation of communities, integrating their knowledge and experience into the research. 5. Social appropriation of knowledge. A key aspect of Mode 3 is the idea of social appropriation of knowledge, a process that involves community, the collective construction of knowledge. This process allows people and social groups to appropriate the knowledge, generate, discuss it, test it, and use it in their daily lives to improve their condition. What is the theoretical foundation of Mode 3? Mode 3 of knowledge production is proposed by Gibbons and his collaborators, seeks to integrate scientific knowledge with practical and social action. Unlike traditional models which were predominantly academic and isolated, Mode 3 empathy between different actors, universities, companies, the state, and social organizations. This not only implies the generation of new knowledge, but also its practical application in the social and economic context of the region. Mode 3 as a response to disarticulation and lack of coherence. One of the great historical problems of Latin America has been the disarticulation between knowledge and its practical application. This has resulted in qualified intellectual and human resource in the region. This articulation is due in part to the traditional structure of higher education, which has been monodisciplinary and based on the professional model inherited from the European colonial tradition. Universities in South America have training professionals to perform roles in specific sectors without offering a comprehensive approach that encourages innovation and collaborative work. The role of the university in Mode 3 of knowledge production. The university under the Mode 3 paradigm must leave behind it and become an active agent within the development process. This implies a change of focus where university research is not limited to the generation of theoretical knowledge, but is closely linked to the needs of the productive sectors and social demands. In addition, a more fluid interaction between the academic and business worlds, as well as in which public policies must be encouraged. In this way, universities have the opportunity to become innovation centers, but also act as incubators and new ideas and technology that can have a direct impact on the economic and social development of the region. This transformation of the universities align which the criticisms have been made of the professional model. The change of strategic consensus in the articulation of actors. However, for Mode 3 to be successful in South America, it's essential that strategic consensus is achieved among all key actors, university, companies, government, state, and civil society. This consensus must not only include a political will, but also a practical commitment to the creation of public policies that aim collaboration and exchange of knowledge. We need the development of a knowledge-intensive model also requires a shared vision where each actor recognizes their model and responsibilities and works together to generate an innovation infrastructure that can respond to the challenge of the 21st century, such as climate change, poverty, inequality, and access to education. Thank you very much for your attention.